N-STRIKE ELITE NERF gun. And for part, I'm going to do the top. See this? So like this way. You can see that. And the back is the hardest. Real kid can't do this. Playgoers can't. Well, see this? You gotta pull this down and pull it out. And just to save ammo. Strap. It's hard to get out too. Darn. See that? And it will have a little hole, you see. And it goes to full here. And we have this row. See that? Holes. And here, you see this button right there? You touch that and pull this out. There you go. And I want to tell you the second part ever how to shoot it. You get this one getting ready, the button right here. Then getting ready, you get that, and then you shoot this. Got it? I'll show you how to put it together. One part, it's easy, just slide it right in. See? Then now this part, I'm going to tell you about this. This where you fire like, and you have little bombs, and you gotta find where like a same size gun. Have a little side there. Ones that only facing on this side are the easiest side ever. And it's kind of hard too. Alright, then you turn it this way. Boom. And this is easy. And there you go. And I want you to say thumbs up and have a great day.